Hi guys, welcome. I am Sylvia and today I am going to show you how to make a Forky from Toy Story cookie. So for this project we need your already made round sugar cookies. I made a video on that, so look it up and get your cookies ready. We need the round cookie cutter that you use to make your cookies. We need fondant, we need a teeny bit of black, teeny bit of red, a teeny bit of black, red, and blue, and some white fondant, your rolling pin, and a knife. Okay, so to get started with our Forky cookie, I'm going to roll out some white fondant. I'm going to use my knife to cut up the top fork part of the cookie, and I am going to glue it to my cookie with a little bit of either vodka or some liquor that you like. It evaporates anyway, so it doesn't matter, or some water or just something sticky. That's going to be Forky. Now, the details. I'm going to make one smaller eye, one bigger eye, because that's what Forky looks like. I'm going to just roll out some little balls out of the white fondant, and then I'm going to press them and glue them. Then I'm going to roll out a very thin little strip of red for his eyebrows, and then the same thing with the blue for his mouth. I have some petal dust, and I'm going to use some of this pink to make his cheeks, because somehow Forky or Sporky has pink cheeks. Okay guys, this is Forky. He's super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you give it a try. If you like making Forky, look out for my other videos. I have made the Buzz Lightyear cookie and the Woody cookie. So I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.